The 2015 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.